Good morning, and thank you for joining us. Starting with iPad. This is the new iPad.
Under the hood is a more powerful chip, A13 Bionic. We're bringing the magical center stage experience from iPad Pro to this new iPad. And this new iPad will ship with iPadOS 15, which is packed with great new features. This new iPad starts at just $329.
And now let's talk about iPad mini. And today we're giving our littlest iPad its biggest upgrade ever.
The all-new enclosure features a beautiful all-screen design with narrow borders and elegant rounded corners. The design is remarkably thin and light and absolutely stunning. An iPad mini now comes in a gorgeous array of new colors: purple, pink, starlight, and space gray. iPad mini now has a USB-C port. We're bringing 5G to iPad mini. The new iPad mini starts at just $499, and it'll be available in both Wi-Fi and cellular configurations. So this is the all-new iPad mini, featuring a brilliant liquid retina display, super fast performance, new cameras front and back, center stage, 5G, support for Apple Pencil, and all new colors.